Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the stunning Firenze red. Starting from the front, where we'll see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. You'll also see it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch alloys as we come round to the rear LED tail lights. You will also see the rear privacy glass ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes as we open the powered tailgate, showing a vast amount of boot space. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony grey and leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring comfort on any length of journey. As we now take a closer look at the leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll also notice your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, sat nav and trip computer. As we now move over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access climate control and heated seat functions from within your entertainment screen, as well as easy to access dials below, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access further vehicle dynamics and terrain response settings. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Thanks for watching.